that. Hi everyone, Dr. Fortes here, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself.
Why did you become a plastic surgeon?
I think with most things in life, it was a process of evolution. I was drawn early on in school to science, and I had wonderful mentors along the way. But I also had a tremendous love for things related to art. I grew up drawing and playing music, playing the viola and the piano. And so I finally found the perfect mesh of science and art, which is aesthetic plastic surgery, which is what I do for a living.
How do you start your day?
Well, I get up pretty early, probably about 4:35. I may have some coffee, sometimes some toast, drive to the office, work on the computer, and get ready for my day. Usually if it's a surgery day, I'll review the plan for surgery for that particular day. Or if it's a clinic day, I'll look through the clinic schedule and prepare for clinic.
How did you come up with the Fortes figure?
Well, here's my concept of the Fortes figure. There is no one Fortes figure. And I think what I mean by that is that when I talk to patients, I discover what it is that are their true goals and desires, and then examine them and find out how to highlight and bring about their natural assets and create an individual plan based upon what is going to look best for them and what is going to meet their goals and meet their lifestyle. So Fortes figure isn't just one figure. I think it's based upon the individual who comes to see me and trying to highlight their best assets and best attributes.
Advice to new people who are wanting plastic surgery.
Do your homework. Best advice, find a plastic surgeon who is well-trained, has excellent credentials, has board certification, because that's very important. It means that they've met a high level of achievement and standards for plastic surgery. And also find someone who has experience, because someone with experience is likely going to be a little bit better than someone who has less experience. And find someone that you feel good about, that you have good rapport with, because that's important too.
How do you unwind after a long day?
Listen to music, chat with friends or family, maybe watch a little television, maybe read a little bit. And on those days when I'm especially motivated, sit down at my piano and play a little bit, and that relaxes me too.
How do you balance your work and your personal life?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Well, it helps that I love what I do. So to me, work really isn't work. It's just what I enjoy in life, and I feel privileged to be able to do it. But you know, after Friday evening, I'll unwind and spend time with friends and family, and maybe think less about work and more about my personal life. Ooh, what is the one thing I cannot live without?
Correct.
You know, at first I thought, well, what are physical things or objects that I can't live without? But I think it's really people, the people who are closest to me, my closest friends and my family. That's the answer.
What's your favorite thing about living in Houston, Texas?
Well, this is my hometown, and I've seen it grow from a small southern town to a big metropolis with incredibly diverse different people from all over the planet. And so my favorite thing is that it's so diverse. There are people from all continents, all cultures, all foods, and I love having that right here in my own hometown.
Well, thanks, Dr. Fortes. We enjoyed getting to know you.
You're welcome.